Howdy, it's Linda Purcell from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making Tomato Tango NutriSoup. So hop on board and let's get cooking. In a medium soup pot, add 4 cups of creamy vegan tomato basil soup, 2 cups chopped mushrooms, 2 cups low sodium vegetable broth, 3/4 cups diced tomato, 1/2 cup chopped broccoli, 1/3 cup cooked black beans, 1 tablespoon minced basil leaves, 1 tablespoon minced parsley leaves, 1 1/2 teaspoon Bragg seasoning, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 teaspoon each spike seasoning, dried marjoram, 1/4 teaspoon ground allspice, and freshly ground black pepper. Stir, cover, and let simmer for 5 to 10 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.